Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be reviewing the DJI Osmo Action 3, but this is the adventure combo. This adventure combo includes the Osmo Action camera, 3 extreme batteries, a few other mounts, a extension rod, a horizontal, vertical protected frame, which you can add to the camera to have extra protection, of course. A multifunctional battery case, so basically you can charge 3 batteries in the same case at the same time, and the cable and other a rubber lens to take off the lens in case if it gets damaged. Also guys, I'm not being sponsored by DJI or nobody in this video. I bought this camera with my own money, so this is gonna be an honest review. And like I said in the last video, I will be doing a review of another action camera, which is this one. And this is actually the camera that I'm be using for my channel. So of course, throughout the time, I'll let you know if it's really worth it or not. Y'all gonna be seeing the quality of the videos to improve, you know, and I'm working our way up. And this is the case. Already comes with the 3 batteries. So it should, I think if all these lights turn green once the batteries are fully charged. Also, this camera and with this charger, you can charge the camera straight from the charger, just with the cable. You plug it in, and people say that this camera can go from 0 to 80% in 18 minutes, and that's really great, because in case you're on the run, or you really wanna take some good footage, and whenever you're on a trip or something, and you know the camera, the battery goes dry on you, you can always plug it in, and 18 minutes is going to be almost fully charged, and then you can keep recording in case of you just have 1 battery. If you got the package with the 3 batteries, of course you can always switch them up, and you have a nice long day of recording. So besides the charger with the batteries, you know, you have the manual, the Type-C cable, where you can either charge the case, or like I said, you can plug the camera straight to the charging case and charge the battery straight, you know, and that's true charge the camera in 18 minutes or whatever. And we got some extra I think mounts. We got a couple mounts in here, and you can plug it, stick it on the dashboard or whatever of the car. You get these screw keys, and here we got the casing. Yeah, here we got the casing, and it's really hard plastic. Also the ring rubber, so in case of you want to take off this lens. So here it is. You can always remove this lens by unscrewing it, but sometimes this little ring rubber can help to actually take the lens off. And take a look, guys. This is the DJI Action Camera 3. Has 2 screens, 2 touch screens, one on the front, one on the back. So yeah, guys, we got a couple stuff in here already. Also, we got these nice stainless rod in case you want to be vlogging with it. Look at that, it's really nice, it's solid, good weight, and it's like really sturdy. Extend it. There's a nice side. Wow, this is really. You can do some good shots with it. Also, it comes with these magnetic mounts, which are great. Instead of being on screwing back the camera to all these different mounts, you can always have these mounts already preset on the other bases that you want, and you can literally just look at this. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. And it comes with these little latches that you press to release. And wow, this magnet is really strong, guys. Look at that. Once you hear those clicking noises, because it's totally secured. And like I said, in case you're on a bicycle or a car or whatever, and you want to like just come and grab, you take it off immediately and then just mount it in a new one, and it's not gonna move at all. I mean, this thing is solid right there. So in case, like, let's say you're vlogging and you got your camera on this one right here, vlogging yourself, you can watch yourself through the camera while you're recording. And then let's say that you want to go to the pool or the sea or whatever, and you want to actually record in the water, then of course you don't want to damage this extension rod. And you can get another, this type of rods that it's just it's a floating vlogging rod, which is going to float in, of course, float in the water. So you can just place it on this one and you'll be fine, because even if you let go of the camera, this still gonna keep the camera floating. In that way you don't lose. Or let's say that you're on the car, you got this mount on your dashboard to record yourself while driving, or actually recording the highway, and then you just want to put it up, and then voila. It's really quick. It just takes like 2-3 seconds. Yeah, and then now you're on the go to keep recording your adventures. And even if by accident you hit one of the latches and it releases one side, but as long as you don't touch the other one, this thing is gonna stay right there. Look, it's not going anywhere. Even if I try to pull, unless I release the other latch right here, and then it's whenever you can take it off. And like you remember on my last video, I was doing the review of these action camera from Temu, and this is the size comparison between the both of them. Of course this one feels heavier, but it's because it's better quality, the lens is bigger, and of course the price range is different. This one, I think with this adventure combo, I think I paid $250. So it was a good deal, because with the case, the 3 batteries, also this casing, really hard and sturdy, the rod, you cannot beat that price, especially compared to the prices of the GoPros. And this one, the Action 3, actually I think is competing against, I believe, the GoPro 10 and 11, and it still performed great. So and this camera is 4K up to 120 frames per second. It has a wide angle camera as well on it. If you put attention right here on the O, there's like a little lens in it. That's a sensor which is gonna help with lighting and the widescreen. It also has a feature called Horizon Steady, which means that even if you rotate the camera to either way, whenever you're recording yourself, the horizon is gonna stay just flat. Like even if you do a 360 rotation, the camera or the video recording gonna stay flat. It is water resistant, up to 16 meters down in the water. Also has cold resistant and long lasting in a duration battery. And each battery, if it's full charged, it can last about 160 minutes, they say, but I think that's on 1080p. But if you do 4K and 30 frames per second, some people have said or recorded up to 2 hours per battery. You can also use the touchscreen on the front, and basically you can control the frames per second, also the resolution. Then if you want to do slow motion, you just press once here in the corner and slide to slow motion. So it will give you two options, either 1080p by 8 times of the speed, or you can go up to 2K or 4K resolution for 4 times the speed. Then on the option of time lapse, it will give you a couple options too: sprouts, clouds, sunsets, custom. I believe you can change the time of recording from 3 seconds to an hour. Lapse, so that's to speed up, I believe, recording. Lapse, sunset, clouds. That would be great to record all the clouds in here. Also guys, another advice, if you want to have the horizon steady mode, you can only use it on 1080p or 2.7K, 16 by 9, like that. And then you choose the option of horizon steady. So now let's see how it works. Okay, if you set the camera, this on the right side of the camera, you're gonna have a button where you press and then slide to the top. That's the door for the battery, and also there's a SD card slot over there. Now let's get it. Let's get one of these batteries inside. So okay, this. Voila. Now let's get this baby on. Just keep press this video, this button. Yeah. That was fast. Okay, so it goes to a little guide over there. look at that. Here it is. You have camera, the screen in the front. Where you can see the recording. It's really nice and crisp. And then you can go through the settings right there. There's a zoom. There's also wide angle features right there. You can actually tap on the battery percentage right there. If you want to change the resolution, it's really smooth. 4K 16:9, 4K 4.3. Yeah, really good. And I'm surprised of how responsive that screen is. And if you want to go back to the main menu, you just press the this button and it's gonna take you here. And it's already gonna have your presettings resolution right there. You got here is you can go to video, camera, photo, HDR video, slow motion. Also in the corner it says that of course I don't have an SD card right now. So even if I press this button in the middle, which is gonna take to the recordings, and it's gonna say no SD card. But once you place one, you can access to your footage from the camera and everything. Also, it comes with its own app, which is good for managing the device, the DJI Academy support. Also says Inspire Cam, one tap edit, so you can edit the videos from the app as well. Quick connect and transfer. So all the recordings that you do on camera, you can always transfer it to your phone through the app. So that's awesome because that way you don't lose so much time in case you want to transfer your recordings. And also has diverse free templates. So it's really nice. They did that DJI. Also guys, if you go to the menu back to the resolution area, if you go to the corner, you're gonna see that it says RS. That means rock steady. That's the other feature of this camera. Also, it has some space over here in case for the fast charging, or you can add a microphone, a wireless microphone over here, and you can have a better footage in case you're vlogging and you wanna place one of those small microphones on your shirt or whatever. You can always do that with this. The microphones on the camera are really good as well. It has the wind blocking or windproof, I believe, where it's gonna block a little bit of that wind while you're recording. So overall it's a great camera for any type of use. It can be for vlogging, action camera. I've seen people even doing cinematics with this camera. So it's a really great camera for a nice budget, Well guys, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you for staying around and to watch the video. And just please don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you on the next time.